Hey everyone, welcome back to RVM-TECH channel. Today I will be showing you how you can reset your iPhone factory reset and send it back to your carrier, or if you wanna sell it off, how you can wipe out your data. So head to setting, then click on your iCloud name, then see this option called Find My, tap on it, and you will see once you see the Find My iPhone is turned on, so click on it and turn this toggle off. You need a iCloud password to turn this off. Without, if you reset it, it will be go to iCloud lock. So make sure you turn off your Find My iPhone first before you reset. So in that case, I'm gonna enter my password. So I entered my password. I'm gonna click on enter button. Then it should start turning off my iPhone. As you can see, Find My iPhone is been disabled. So now what you have to do, go back to your setting, then click on journal, then scroll all the way down. You will see this option called transfer or reset your iPhone. Tap on it. Then you will see two options: reset, erase all content and setting. Click on erase all content and setting. Then click on continue. Then click on erase iPhone. Then enter your iPhone current password. So once you enter the password, you will automatically redirect to this screen and it will show you how much time it will take to reset your phone. So just be patient. Do not hit skip backup. What it is, it will skip your backup. You might don't have a latest picture or iCloud backup to your iPhone. So just be patient. Whatever the time it's showing you, just wait. So as you can see, the iPhone is start resetting itself. So just bear with me for a few minutes. It will start resetting the process. So as you can see, the iPhone has been resetted. Select your language, click on your network and without any device, connect without Wi-Fi, continue. Then it might take few minutes. Then setup later, skip, continue, adult, setup later, don't use passcode, don't use passcode, don't transfer anything, agree. So in that case, now the iPhone is factory reset. That means you can sell it off, you can trade it off. So whatever you feel like it. So now everything is good and you just sell it off. Thank you for watching. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe.